Hey everybody, it's Jay here, and welcome to my channel. If you are a non-fiction author or author, it's really important to understand the demand and supply situation. As I mentioned in one of my previous videos, that checking demand and supply situation of your niche can help you to set the right expectations. Right? As I always say, I mean, I want Ferrari, but whether Amazon is ready to give me Ferrari or not, it depends on the demand and supply situation. As Amazon, it's a marketplace, right? And we need to see the amount of competition. We need to understand how much is there a demand of the book that we have in with us or in front of us, right? So this video will help you look at the demand and supply situation through data, right? And we'll be using external tools as well. So do watch this video towards the end. I'll try to keep it short, but then I hope it adds value, in your life. Yeah. So in order to understand this demand and supply situation, you have to go straight to Amazon. Yeah. And plus, you have to have a third party software. In this case, I have a Helium 10. You can have any other software based on your need, right? I always suggest Helium 10. It's pretty good, pretty fast, bit expensive, $99 a month, but then it just does a job really good, right? So if you have a tool and now you're on Amazon, what you really do is you type your main keyword. So, for example, if I have a book in Python programming, right? You can see it's giving you all the suggestions on the keywords and the search volume, right? And this is what we want, right? So, if I have a book on Python programming, I know my search volume is about 4300. So, that's the demand. How much is the supply? We need to see. If I click enter, there are about 5,000 books on Python programming. So it's more or less equal. This is a this is a great niche. It's like high demand, low supply. 5,000 competition is not that much as well, right? So it tells me that okay, it's a decent niche to write a book on, and there is a decent competition, and we can earn money, and we can increase our brand as well in this particular niche. So now let's go to some highly competitive niche. So, for example, if I have a motivational book, right? And if you look at that market size, the motivational books search volume, and this is per month, is 3,300. That's the maximum search volume for a motivational book keyword, right? There are other keywords, but then the keyword motivational books itself has the maximum number here, which is 3,300, right? So let's just, if you just do the search, there are about 70,000 books here. Now, if I have a book in this niche, I'll be foolish to tell myself that I will make money until and unless I am one of these. Look, check out the reviews here, right? Check out the reviews here. If I am one of those books, I will make I mean, not lot of money, but decent money if my sale is dependent just on Amazon and I don't have brand outside of Amazon. All of them, the ones who are that we see here, books that we see here organically, they have a brand outside of Amazon, and people just buy their book. They come on Amazon, type their name, and buy their book, right? And so it is very competitive. And for us, an advertiser, even aiming for these slots will be very expensive. See the competition here is there's somebody that has a 700 7 lakh 20,000 rank, right? They are also your competition, and some are 45,000, 21,000 are also a competition, but it's pretty high in terms of competition and bids. So generally, in this case, we avoid going the top of the search. We do all the strategy, but not top of the searches, right? And let's just look at a market sourcing that has low demand, low supply, right? See, it has about 569 books, and I think the outsourcing books it doesn't show up. So that tells you that probably it's much low, than that, right? But then it's low supply and low demand. Low supply is like 569 books. Competition is like nothing, right? In this case, we will not be able to sell many books. We will not be able to consume the budget that we have. So we have to be satisfied with the low orders, low spending here. Now let's go at high demand, high supply. Meditate. Okay, so I hope I'm typing the meditation. Yeah. So let's see that. Maybe Mediterranean diet cookbook probably is the right word. Right? I can see 21,000 searches on this particular keyword. Right. This is the demand here, and 5,000 books here. It's not 500, and it's not 70,000. We're talking about, okay, 5,000, 7,000, that sort of a thing. But you see the search volume here. This is the place where you make very good money. You can see 987 as a rank, and 5,000 as a rank. It's pretty normal ranks in niche. 2,400, 1,900. You can see from the organic rank that this niche is doing pretty well, right? So this is one of the examples of maybe high demand, supply, right? So I hope this video is helpful. This is the way you check the demand and supply, so that before you jump into advertising, what you can expect from the advertising. If this video found this video really then do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out future videos. And if you're currently struggling with your ads, I'm happy to look into your accounts. I love meeting different authors. I love looking at different accounts. Maybe a small tweak could do a wonder. So if that's the case, I have put my calendar link in the description. Do check that out, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.